5S and Minimalism. I am Kim Sabu, a manufacturing innovation guide. Today, I'd like to talk to you about how to live more efficiently through 5S and minimalism. Welcome to our exploration of the synergies between 5S, a renowned systematic approach to workplace efficiency, and minimalism, the intentional people of living with less. First, a brief introduction. 5S is rooted in Japanese methodology and contains 5 principles: sort, sitten, shine, seichuk, and sustain. Minimalism, on the other hand, is a lifestyle choice. It's reducing the clutter in our lives, both physically and mentally. Let's look at the similarities between 5S and minimalism. First of all, if you look at sort and minimalism, both advocate for decluttering. In 5S, you're going to organize your workspace by removing unnecessary things. Minimalism is the abandonment of possessions that do nothing for our lives. Second, sitten and minimalism. Getting things in order is key. 5S systematically arranges items for optimal efficiency. In minimalism, it's about creating harmony and reducing stress. Third, if you look at shine and minimalism, cleaning the surroundings is the central theme. 5S emphasizes regular cleaning of the workplace, and minimalism values a cluttered and well-maintained living space. Fourth, if you compare seichuk and minimalism, this is about setting guidelines. 5S ensures process consistency. Minimalism is about personal vigilance against acquisitions, preventing them from returning to a cluttered state. Fifth, if you look at sustain and minimalism, both are continuous travel. 5S requires standards to be maintained, and minimalism encourages continuous reflection and intentionally. In conclusion, 5S and minimalism are different areas but share a deep connection. They both lead us to a clear, efficient, and purposeful life. Your subscription and likes give me strength.